My recipe for butter chicken is rich in flavor and it has no butter. That's right, it's butter chicken without butter. Marinade really is very simple to put together. It's about 4 tablespoons of whisked yogurt, red chili powder, which is what gives it color, a little bit of turmeric, cumin or jeera powder, and some coriander powder. I'm also going to add a little bit of ginger garlic paste. You might get a little alarmed with the yellow color of the marinade. Don't worry, it all comes together in the end. I'm going to add about 450 grams boneless chicken that I've just cut up into cubes into this marinade. So make sure that the chicken is completely coated in this marinade. And right at the end, add the juice of 1 lemon. Stir it well together. I'm going to seal it with some cling film and leave it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Now these are almonds that have been soaked overnight in water and their skins have been removed. The almonds get blended with some water until they reach a paste-like consistency. And this is the secret to having no butter in this butter chicken. Heating some oil in a non-stick pan. We're going to cook the chicken till it has charred edges. And this is boneless chicken, so it's going to cook really quickly. While the chicken's cooking, we'll get the gravy for the butter chicken ready. Heat some oil in a wok, add some chopped onions, 1 green chilli, and ginger. Onions, ginger, and green chilies have been cooking for a couple of minutes, and the onions are slightly brown. Now I'm going to add red chili powder, little bit of turmeric, lots of coriander powder, and cumin powder. You can tell that the masala is ready when you can smell it. Now it's time to add the puree of about 4 to 5 tomatoes, which I've pureed with just a little bit of sugar. Let this tomato puree mix well with the masalas and let it simmer on low heat for about 4 minutes, just to absorb all the flavors of the masala. Just cover it so that it cooks faster. Add a little bit of sugar, salt. Now I'm just going to stir in the almond paste. The gravy starts to take on an orange color without any kind of artificial food coloring. Just let it all cook together so that the flavors can get combined. Now it's time to add the chicken and nestle it in this gravy. I'm just going to cover it and let it cook for the final round of cooking. This smells so amazing. I can't wait to eat it. A few coriander leaves and a gentle sprinkling of nigella seeds. There you go, guilt-free butter chicken without butter.